Okay, so we've got an integration question here. Before I do any integration question, the first thing I do is I look and make sure that everything is in integratable form. This one is, but this one is not, because the term with the power is on the bottom. So before I do any integration, I need to rewrite. So my 10x to the 4 stays as is, 24x squared stays as is. I'm just going to highlight that a second. The minus 2 stays as is, and this becomes 3 lots. So 3 over x to the 4 can be thought of as 3 times 1 over x to the 4, which is 3 to the negative 4. So 3x to the negative 4. So I have that dx. Now everything is in integratable form. Then I can just integrate. So this is going to be equal to, my 10x to the 4 is going to become 10, let's try this, 10 times the integral of x to the 4 is going to be a fifth of x to the 5. Well, 10 times a fifth is 2. Okay, so I got 2 x to the 5 plus, okay, I'm going to have 24 lots of the integral of x squared, which is going to be a third x cubed. Well, 24 lots of a third is going to be 8. So this is going to be 8x cubed. Minus 2, excuse me, any constant integrates to that number of x's. And then the last one is going to be, we got plus 3 times the integral of x to the negative 4. So we raise the power by 1 and divide by the new power. So it's 1 over negative 3 x to the negative 3. So we end up here with a positive 3 times negative a third, which is going to be a negative x to the negative 3. Excuse me. Plus the constant of integration c. Okay. Next question. This time we got integration, but we have limits involved. Okay, so we're going to have to make some substitutions. Both are in integratable form, which is great. So I can integrate straight away. So this becomes 12 times the integral of x cubed is a quarter x to the 4. So that becomes 3x to the 4. Plus 6x squared becomes 6 times the integral of x squared, which is a third x cubed, which is going to be 2x cubed. So 2x cubed. And that is between 1 and 2. So when we're working this out, we substitute in the upper limit first. So we substitute the 2 in first. Gives us 3 lots of 2 to the 4 plus 2 lots of 2 cubed. And then we're going to subtract what happens when we put the lower limit in. So 3 lots of 1 to the 4 plus 2 lots of 1 cubed, which will give us 3 lots of 2 to the 4 plus 2 lots of 2 cubed is 64. And we're going to take away 3 lots of 1 to the power 4 plus 2 lots of 1 cubed is 5, which will give us an overall answer of 59.